How to create tabs folder on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create tabs folder on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and now here in the bottom corner you will find this icon here. Click on it, and now just click these 3 points in the top corner and click group tabs, and now just select any tabs you want and click here and select any name you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.